ano yung mga unang perks nung kasi 'di ba scholar
Yes.
ka and we can only imagine kasi parang wala akong talent sa mga bola-bola na yan. Ako yung dinescribe mo na tatamaan na lang sa face,
Yes,
'di ba?
same. Hard same.
So ano yung mga ino-offer pag ganun bukod sa scholarship? And then kailan din nag-start yung meron ng offer na money or stipend or
So nung grade 6 ako, papuntang first year high school, merong coach yung NU na nag-reach out sa akin. And then, he offered me, yun nga, 100% yung tuition fee. And then, merong allowance, food allowance. And then, later on, nung nag-start na yung class, biglang pupunta kami sa SM, National Bookstore, may budget.
Wow!
Nakukuha ka ng mga anong kailangan mo.
Magpo-pull out ng
Ang
items.
saya.
I
Super
love it.
saya. So, very well taken care of kami. And then, even uniforms, shoes, everything. So, I'm very blessed na napunta ako sa school na yon, and also yung manager namin talaga sa NU.
It was also around that time na nagte-train ka ng parang more seriously. Kasi
Yes.
before that, sabi mo you were playing with, parang nakisali ka, basically sinali ka ng tatay mo.
Well, nung grade 6 ako, naging varsity player na ako.
okay. Dun.
And then, ni-recruit nila ako for NU. And then, ayun na, student athlete na ako.
Agad-agad.
Yes. So, may kapalit naman lahat ng yan. Kailangan pagtrabahuan.
Syempre.
So,
So,
naman.
Yeah, after school, practice, then ganun na yung routine. Or until college.
Wow, okay.
Oh my God. The talent. The talent will take you places, of course.
Totoo. Tapos itong high school na to, parang stipend gaming din ba siya? Like you also had an allowance every month beyond those those perks ng
Yung perks,
shopping ka
oo.
dyan. Ang saya.
Yes, monthly siya. And then, ikaw na magbabudget.
Oh.
But nung high school ako, ang tinuruan ako ng mama ko na sa kanya mapupunta yung allowance and then she'll just give me allowance per week. And then, kailangan ko i-budget yon for myself. So, hindi ako talagang, alam
Yung
mo yun.
parang sa'yo to
Yes.
lahat, bahala ka.
May nag-guide.
Oh, that's helpful to have. At
Yes.
least parang hindi kayong pagbata lang na parang, yeah, money!
Ubugasan ko to.
Agad.
Pero natuto ka na rin mag-save nun? Or dahil yun yung tinuro din ni mom na okay, may part nito ilalagay natin sa savings tas ito lang yung budget mo. How was the budgeting like nung mas bagets pa?
Oo.
Nung high school, parang hindi ko pa siya honestly naiisip.
Okay.
Excited lang ako every time na magma-Monday. Kasi Saturday, Sunday, uwi ako ng bahay. Tapos may baon na ako for Monday to Friday.
Okay.
So yun yung nilook forward to ko. And then, pagbata kasi ang happy ka na kapag makakain ka ng masarap na pagkain eh.
Yes.
Diba? Parang very enough na yun for you. But the shopping, hindi mo pa siya naiisip. So, yeah. Yun yung nung high school pa ako.
Okay.
Yun
So,
yung high school life.
So, nung college, yun na ba yung time na medyo nag-let go na yung nanay mo? Sa'yo na
Yes.
napunta lahat?
Yes.
How was that shift?
Honestly, nag-sit down talk talaga kami. Sabi ko parang, I think nasa right age na ako para mahawakan ko yung pera ko.
Conversation. Okay.
Kasi ang hirap din kapag hindi ka in control with your money. Like, I think at some point, kapag like 18 ka na, di ba, parang it's a responsibility din. And it's gonna be a skill also na matututo ka on how you're gonna budget your money, saan mo siya isa-spend, paano mo siya isa-spend, di ba? And pag nakikita mo siya nag-grow, parang mas nagsistrive ka na to work harder kasi ay magkakaroon ako ng money kapag ginagalingan ko, may
Yes.
extra bonus, 'di ba ganyan. So I talked with my mama, sabi ko, ma, I think nasa right age na ako para hawakan yung pera ko. And parang ibigay mo yung trust mo sa akin na hindi ko naman, alam mo yun, iwawaldas yung pera. So, hinayaan niya naman ako na binigay niya sa akin yung money ko. And from there, parang bigla na lang nag-grow yung money. And yeah.
I love that for our queen.
Mas lumagon.
Yes.
Sa'yo na. Wow, we love a responsible
Yes.
with her finances. So you'd say pa lang, no, early on, you had a pretty good like way of managing na your finances. Nagkaroon ka ba ng parang Waldas era na parang, bahala na, may darating naman.
Oo nga.
Meron ba? I think meron din. Pero
Feeling ko
I
the fact na nahirapan siya sumagot, responsible talaga siya. I love it.
Meron
Kasi
din,
no.
pero I learned from that. Parang
Okay.
Pag, kunwari,
Do
wala
share.
na akong for example, masya-short.
Okay.
Sabihin ko, my gosh, parang hirap pala pag masya-short ka. Kasi parang, pag, alam mo yung emotions mo kapag, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng stuff na to. Parang gusto ko siyang bilhin.
Mm-mm.
And then nakuha mo siya. And then, the next day, oh my gosh, wala akong budget for food. And then, yung stuff na binili mo is just there sitting around. Parang hindi mo naman ginagamit. So parang,
Na pera
yun
sana
yung,
na
na parang pagkain ko sana or pwede kong gamitin for this, for that.
Right.
So from there, parang natututo talaga ako na you really have to be smart
Mhm.
kung ano yung mga choices mo.
Mhm.
And that was what era of your life? College ka na?
College.
College.
Okay. So, doon na siya pinaka natuto. Kasi tinry niya na ngang i-manage yung pera niya. Pero ito ay very chismosa question na end of the day, madam. Kasi kanina nag-share tayo, di ba, ng mga first paycheck. Maalala mo pa yung first paycheck mo na may binili ka or talagang nilaan mo na, ay, pag nakuha ko tong first paycheck ko na to, this is it. Kasi bagets pa lang may mga
Right.
budget na here and there. Pero si mama yung nag-handle. Pero nung college na ikaw na.
At some point kasi sa college, may nag-open na opportunity sa akin which is yung content creation.
Okay.
So, parang there was a year na nag-boom yung social media and
Mhm.
brands would reach out to me. Like out of nowhere, may nakita ko sa email ko na they want to collab and all that. But I had no idea na paid pala yung ganon.
Oh,
Yay!
okay.
So, I don't know also like negotiation. So, if they offer you something na parang bigger than you think na parang, ay, ang laki na nito. Parang,
Mhm.
go na to. So, noong time na yon may mga projects na dumadating na nagugulat ako. So, I think my first purchase talaga na super hindi ko makakalimutan is from Sephora.
Oh, she went shopping.
Yes.
Shopping
At meron pa
na
pala,
siya.
during the pandemic, kasi may allowance kami, di ba?
Mhm.
Hindi siya paycheck, but yung allowance kasi namin, hindi namin nagagalaw. So, naipon.
Okay.
Bakit siya hindi nagagalaw?
Kasi pandemic, so lockdown, hindi ka
wala.
makalabas.
Mm.
So, di ka makalaro.
Free yung
okay,
food,
okay.
di ba? So, nung time na pwede ka nang bumili, nag-online shopping talaga ako na todo-todo.
Tumodo.
Tumodo.
Okay.
Ayun, and then, yan, Sephora. Kasi mahilig ako sa damit, sa makeup, sa skincare, sa pabango. Yun yung mga purchases ko.
Dun
And very
lumabas
deserved naman. Diba? So, she went shopping but she worked hard.
Yes.
Diba? Okay.
Yes. So from college, tapos graduate ka na and you went pro. This was the goal naman ever since. So
Yes.
I'm sure parang
Oh, yes.
you fell in love with volleyball and you just like tuloy mo na talaga
Yes.
siya. Was there a shift nung when you went pro after everything and even working
Mhm.
with
Yeah, definitely.
having content?
Kasi it's like, you live your own life. Parang very independent ka na. But at that time, I was very excited. Kasi nung umalis ako ng college, parang medyo sad moment of my life yun. Kasi we didn't win the championship. For back-to-back championship sana. So, medyo parang in a hurry ako na umalis ng dorm. Kasi
Okay.
sobrang painful. Parang seeing the team, ganyan. And we didn't win. So parang gusto kong, parang it's like an escape.
Right.
But then, nung nag-condo na ako, that's when I realized, oh my gosh, iba pala kapag you live on your own kasi you pay for the condo, you pay for the electricity, water, food, everything.
Right.
And
And from dorm din, no? Na
Yes.
generally, you didn't have to think
Yes,
about the
yes,
utilities.
Yes.
Oo.
So yun yung hard part na, but at the same time, I think lahat naman tayo dadating sa ganung point.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yun yung binulaga ka na ng mga, ay,
Yes.
naubos pala itong mga
Shucks.
Kailangan i-restock.
Seryoso na pala. Oo,
totoo.
Serious era na pala to.
Totoo.
Pero I'd like, alam mo parang ako ang mga tanong kay mga chismosa
Go,
question.
girl.
So kanina natanong natin yung purchase. Ngayon, I'd like to think na dahil nag-start ka at a young age tapos hanggang sa pro, so syempre alam mo na talaga yung, kumbaga kabisado niya na yung sarili niya, paano siya sa pera and anong dapat gawin, may mga nag-guide. May mga bagay ka bang ini-investan through the years? And may mga naging experience ka ba na etong part na to good yung investment na to? Whether it be para sa sarili mo like self-care or clothes or para sa sports. And ano naman yung mga naging bad investments na, hindi ko pala siya dapat masyadong nilalaanan ng budget.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions, worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to search and follow Worth It Ba on YouTube for the full episode. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, every choice comes with a story.